Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Google's new desktop app for Windows 11 with Gemini AI and file search integration. First, open your web browser and go to search.google/google-apps/desktop. Or, simply open the link provided in the video description. Once the page opens, click Download the app to download the installer. After the download is complete, open the setup file. The installer will automatically download and install the Google app on your Windows 11 PC. Just wait for the installation to finish. When the installation is complete, launch the app. You'll now see two options. Sign in with your Google account to access Gemini AI with your personalized features, chat history, and supported file integration. Or, if you prefer not to sign in, click Sign in without an account to start using the app with limited features. That's it. You've successfully installed Google's new desktop app on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.